Stoicism, a beginner's guide to the ancient philosophy. Imagine, if you will, standing in the midst of a storm. The winds howl, the rain lashes down, and the world around you is in chaos. Yet, despite the storm's fury, you remain unshaken, calm, and in control. This is the essence of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that teaches us to find peace and strength in the face of life's inevitable storms. Stoicism was founded in Athens in the early 3rd century BC by Zeno of Citium. After a shipwreck left him destitute, Zeno turned to philosophy, teaching his ideas in the Stoa Poikile, a painted porch in the Athenian marketplace. This place, known as the Stoa, gave the philosophy its name. At its core, Stoicism is about mastering the self. It's the practice of focusing on what we can control and accepting what we cannot. Epictetus, a prominent Stoic philosopher, said it best: "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This mindset helps us navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease. Stoicism emphasizes 4 central virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These virtues guide us in leading a life of integrity and fulfillment. Each virtue plays a unique role in shaping a Stoic's approach to life. Wisdom is more than just acquiring knowledge. It's about understanding what truly matters. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This wisdom helps us focus on what we can control and find inner peace. Amor Fati, or love of fate, is a Stoic practice that involves embracing everything that happens to us, both good and bad. It's about seeing each event as necessary and beneficial. This perspective helps us remain resilient and find meaning in adversity. In Stoicism, courage is not just physical bravery, but moral bravery, the strength to do what is right, even in difficult situations. Seneca, another influential Stoic, said, "Sometimes even to live is an act of courage." This virtue encourages us to face challenges with integrity and resolve. Justice in Stoicism extends beyond legal fairness to encompass compassion and doing what is right for the greater good. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The best way to avenge yourself is to not be like that." This principle emphasizes maintaining personal integrity regardless of others' actions. Temperance, or moderation, is about self-control and not letting our desires dominate us. Epictetus believed that freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. Practicing temperance helps us achieve a balanced and peaceful life. One effective Stoic practice is negative visualization. This involves contemplating the loss of something valuable, to appreciate it more fully in the present and to prepare for its potential loss. It's a powerful way to foster gratitude and resilience. Returning to our storm analogy, life's storms are inevitable. Stoicism teaches us to remain calm and focused in the face of adversity. While we can't control the storm itself, we can control how we respond to it. In that response lies our true power. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and click the bell icon to get notified of our next video. Remember, the Stoic path is one of continuous growth and learning. Let's walk it together.